Pag tumanggi ka na mag-testify sa korte, pwede ka bang makontempt, Kuya Mark?
Actually, as a rule, yes. Kung may subpoena ang court, compelling you, may summons ang court, compelling you to testify.
Dinedma mo lang.
Tapos, in-ignore mo ang korte, you can be liable for contempt or indirect contempt kasi hindi mo sinunod ang order ng court. But may exception. Dalawang exception dyan, MJ. Number one, you can invoke right against self-incrimination. And second, in case of privileged communication. Ano ba yung tinatawag na privileged communication? For example, you are a Catholic priest. Pari ka ng Katoliko. May nagkuhan sa'yo ng ano yun?
Nangumpisal.
Tapos yung kumpisal na yan, nag-testify ka na sabi ni Pedro, siya daw yung ng rape sa kumpisal. Hindi pwede yan. Privileged communication. For example, you will testify against your husband. Yan, privileged communication. Kasi may tinatawag tayong confidentiality sa husband and wife relationship. How about lawyer and client relationship? Yes, a lawyer cannot testify sa mga against his client. You cannot testify. Bakit? Kasi privileged communication based on trust and confidence.
Kasama na dyan yung doctor-to-patient
yes,
privilege.
Doctor, for example,
lalo na yun.
Doktor, nagchismis ka na, yan si Kuan, yan si Pedro, supot yan. Yan, in that case, walang tuloy yan, hindi tuloy yan. Yan, that is already in violation of the privileged communication. Kasi a lawyer, a doctor, and a client relationship, it should be confidential in nature. Another, yung tinatawag na right against self-incrimination, you cannot be compelled to testify against yourself. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-testify against yourself, but yung tinatawag na right against self-incrimination, dalawang klase yan. Pag criminal case, from the moment that you are called to testify, pwede ka na mag-invoke ng right against self-incrimination. Pag civil case, hindi ka pwede mag-invoke ng right against self-incrimination pag tinawag ka. You can only invoke when an incriminating question is asked. For example, you are an accused. Gusto kang mag-participate sa court, pwede ka mag-invoke agad. Kahit wala pang tanong, pwede ka na mag-invoke. I invoke my right against self-incrimination. Doon sa Congress, may tinanong ka na bagay na pwedeng makasira sa'yo. Mr. Chairman, I invoke my right against self-incrimination. Pag may tanong na incriminating. But in criminal case, kahit wala pang tanong, the moment that you are called to testify and you are an accused, pwede ka nang mag-invoke ng right against self-incrimination.